Desktop Free-Fly Single-Arm Teleprompter is the perfect tool for every streamer and desktop content creator. Use all of your desktop on a large 16:9 widescreen, custom streaming prompter software, and use high-quality mirrorless and small cinema cameras to create live content. In this video, we will first unbox this teleprompter and then see what is in the contents of the box. And finally, we will answer the question, is this device worth buying? Let's start.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now. Take a step outside and seize the day now. Take a step outside and seize the day now. Take a step outside and seize the day now. Take a step outside and seize the day now. Take a step outside and seize the day now. Set aside your worries, it's okay now. The sun is here to stay. Blue skies, feel the wind beneath you as you fly by. Dancing on a cloud, it lifts you high, high, high. Your troubles blow.
Maintain direct eye contact with your audience. Respond to messages. Use Zoom, read scripts, bullet points, PowerPoints, live video support, live video sales, and use high quality cameras. In my opinion, if you are looking to buy a teleprompter, this can be one of your best options. High build quality, large screen, and everything you are looking for can be found in this amazing device. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in the next video.